habandize kubaho orutaro no butikirizana omisho g'akakiiko bwanyuma ya mukuru w'abakozi ba district ya Bushenyi hamwe n'abakozi be ababire bamwesire nabo okubacyondozaho okubinga abanyamakuru bitkuberemere bahungo mu kakiiko.
Excuse me, Chairman, we've got some intruders without any introduction. I've told them to get inside.
Because you have more than 790 millions. Million rushanju, miliyoni rushanju, nshanju na mwenda. Ezo kozise, ezo tine choyerekere ngo ukakora.
Bwanyuma ya mukuru w'abakozi ba district ya Bushenyi na wayirukire omukakiiko ekitabwire chairman w'akakiiko ka Public Accounts Committee nukwe kumutera esimu ariko mbuza ahiyayishereka.
Where are you now? Which is here, of course, in the boardroom.
Yes, we want the names of departments with their account.
No one is having accountability. Production.
That's why we are here. If transparency cannot be reflected in this department committee, then it will never be reflected anywhere.
Akakiiko kagumizemu katakisa engineer w'ebyenguuto Barnabas Mbonimpa okushoborera ekiyakozise biliyoni emwe y'esente ezabire zirgezo kukora enguuto bitku bimuremere niko kumushoboza mu kakiiko ngwaze kuzironda.
To God, even here to Gambia also, this is misbehavior. So we are changing the character.
Let us see the report.
Let us wait, because we still have the work.
Yeah,
we may not decide they can.
Tutongere no kwetombwita okwa mukuru w'abakozi ba district ya Bushenyi ahabire nagira nguwe takwenda kamera zimukwatira mu kakiiko.
I think this is a habit here. This is a habit here. So you can prepare yourself. We are not yet ready for this meeting.
Then he puts the responses as
Tuongire twagambaho na bamwe akakiiko aka.
Twine mweshonga ya chairperson Honorable Annette Mugisha ayabarumwe w'akakiiko na wakasiga ya resigninga na accountability y'ubwirobwo byabarho taragifuni.
Specifically esente ezikwatene nguto ezitakatungirwa accountability nzingana almost 1 billion shillings.
Yes.
We are not saying ngo bazimbe zoringire fonka itwe. That money is not accounted for.
Aba bagambire n'enguuto ezirukubi ezabire zigezo kukorwa sente zikashohora bitu tizarakozerwe.
Now if you can make an accountability, if we prove that you have that money, the other 1 kilometer there, you have no problem with that. Then you make accountability.
Ende Sheikh Abdulatif, Abwa TV West, Omur Bushenyi.